In this subject, we're going to talk about contacting the Bing app support, right? To check if your offer is good. So you click the start live chat, right? I need help with my doesn't have a general question. Okay, let's click this, right? And I need to check if my landing page is compliant with Bing policies. I need to check, need to confirm with by talking to a representative. Okay. And let's click continue. Now these people are available 24/7. Now that's really amazing. Okay, Facebook does not have this, but that's why there's a lot of headache with Facebook. And by the way, did you get now go ahead and give this guy your landing page link. And tell him that please check if this page is compliant with my, kindly check if this page is compliant with the Bing ad policies, right? The good news is they sometimes even, tell you that I'm going to observe your campaign for the next 24 hours to see if it's working, right? So I had one of the representatives that tell me that I'm going to observe your campaign, right? And he asked for my phone number. I gave him my phone number and he told if something goes wrong, I'll call you. So these people are really nice. Compliance of advertising. I'm willing to conduct an initial review on your website. Okay, cool.
I assume this is a real human being and not a bot.
No, it's not a bot. This guy is a real person.
Oh, that's good.
Charles, a quick, I just wanted to say I have like another appointment in 5 minutes. So I think I need to conclude this call for today, right? Uh,
Okay.
what you need to do next is you need to basically create more ad copies, right?
Okay. Okay.
And obviously, you have not yet added your affiliate link to your landing page. So you need
Yes.
to take that step, right? Go back to the yellow notepad we have here and copy the links from there and put it in a notepad on your computer so that you can preserve it, right?
Okay.
So you don't lose that content that I've written on that yellow notepad, right? And add more ad copies, add that link to your landing page, to your call to action, right? And then
Okay.
once this person says yes, right, you can add more ad copies and create a campaign. Sounds good,
Sounds good.
right? Okay. So that being said, are we good to go now?
Yes. Yes. So I'll keep updated as soon as I as your instructions.
Yeah, and set up your next call with me, right? Because we are going to talk about landing pages in our next appointment, right? Where I'm going to show
Okay.
you how to build landing pages from scratch using the tool that I use, right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So that being said, are we good to go now?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay. So that